Hi, I'm Eric Tangradi with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. I'd like to welcome you to pure contemporary luxury in the heart of downtown Pittsburgh. This is 1402 of Lumière, Pittsburgh's newest condominium development. Come and have a look inside yourself. This two-story unit features a captivating layout with floor-to-ceiling windows that capture breathtaking panoramic views and embrace natural light. Fit and finished with quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances, the kitchen offers a true opulent dining experience with city views hovering in every direction. The primary suite is located on the main floor and is bathed with more natural light, a chic barn door, and robust tiled shower. The functional lower level features a large family room in addition to an oversized entertainer's wet bar, perfect for entertaining your family and friends. One of the largest units the building offers, the additional floor is complemented with a second set of panoramic views, with spacious living area, 2 guest bedrooms, a custom bath, and separate entry. Opportunity awaits in this move-in ready condominium with sweeping views. You'll never want to leave. Again, I'm Eric Tangradi with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. Your home is my goal. Don't wait. Reach out today to schedule a private tour.